Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. You have me Mark and we cap the week off with a song recommended by or Jin Espernia or Hines Pernia. So not sure how to where the break is, but hope I got it one way or the other. The recommendation is Sweet Dreams, and this is a cover by the father and daughter group known as Franz Rhythm. I'm gonna make a guess here. Sweet Dreams is that the parang the new wave one yung tan 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 Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I? So this will be interesting kasi that's more of a new wave thing eh. So haven't heard them do a cover, pero we'll find out. It might be a different song still, just making a guess. Anyway, before we give it a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. And without any further delays, let's give the song a go in 3, 2, 1.
Close your eyes, I want to ride the skies in my sweet dreams.
Alright. Hello guys! Alright, sa lahat po dyan na laging nakikilig at sumusubaybay po sa aming mga tugtugan. Thank you everyone! Sana hindi po kayo magsawa na matangkilig sa aming mga simpleng jamming ngayon. Sa hindi pa nakasubscribe yan, pakisubscribe na rin po dito. Thank you! Here's another song. Here's some light.
This is the time when you need a friend, you just need someone near. I'm not looking forward to the night I'll spend thinking of you when you're not here. How many times will I think about the things I'd like to do? Always deny the right to live my life the way I want. I want to share it with you. Close your eyes, I want to ride the skies in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to see you tonight in my sweet dreams. I think of your kiss as the days roll by, and I write the words you love. What I can say in a letter will just have to wait till I get home. There's not much time to tell you half the things that I should. Only that I'm so glad I fell in love with you. I'd do it again if I could. Close your eyes, I want to ride the skies in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to see you tonight in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to ride the skies in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to see you tonight in my sweet dreams. Sleep like a child your eyes, I want to ride the skies in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to see you tonight in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to ride the skies in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to see you tonight in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to ride the skies in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to see you tonight in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to ride the skies in my sweet dreams.
And that's the end of the song. I can tell that this is not a new upload because usually in mga newer videos nila, they put some extra videos like, some family bonding or going to the guitar shop. So anyway, so it's not the song that I am familiar with. Uh, what I like about this cover is that it 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 rattles my yung the way I know Air Supply kasi 'di ba yung more on love songs sila and mga tracks they don't really, so I can't imagine that this was an original Air Supply song, and yung style ni na ng Franz Rhythm here, their harmony actually reminds me of yung mga bagsakan ni na Crosby, Stills, and Nash, yung when they harmonize. Kaya, I, I like the way they did the cover. Yeah, in short. Yung parang, it's a cover, but it's so good that you made it sound like it's your own song. Had they not put here sa description na song by Air Supply, I wouldn't have known agad-agad. Maybe I would have found out. Someone will put in the comments na, hey, Sarsicles, ano yan? That's an original by Air Supply. So very good. Napakaganda ng bagsakan nila dito. Uh, so in English, very good arrangement. So the way they played or performed it, ano ba yan? You would notice that so si how do I let's see if I can bring back the let me just skip and then okay, let's replay the song. Yay. Okay. So you will notice that so two guitarists, si daddy and si daughter. Si daughter is her guitar is capoed on the seventh fret. There's a capo. While Franz will play using bar chords. 'Di ba for guitar shapes, so there's the bar, I would call it bar chords because they use their index to bar the fret and then put the actual shape and then the rest of the finger to form a chord shape, while the daughter, instead of using the bar, instead of barring, using her index finger to bar a chord, so that they are able to reach two different registers. So she used the bar and then used those a different shape but same sound. It's just that yung kay Friends will focus more on the bass sound of that chord, and then daughter is more on the high sound. So it's like parehong, it's let's say the chord is A, they're both A's, uh, but France will sound more on the bassier side, and then the other will sound more on the treble side. So when they play together, it's just like having playing a harmony, or it would somewhat sound close to a 12 string guitar. Close, but not quite. But still, it sounds full kasi mas marami yung range, and it will not sound like they're playing the same, it exactly the same way. Ayan. Anyway, uh, you can see here as well na si Franz, all throughout the song, he was plucking. Even sa lead part. So it's very interesting to see. Sa bagay kasi I think when he's playing the bass rin, mostly kamay din eh, no? Very comfortable siya. He's very comfortable in plucking the guitar and to the point that even sa lead part, 'di ba usually when it's a lead part you use the pick, but here it gives the sound a nice a nice distinct quality, so you can hear the ting, ting, ting. You can really hear that plucking sound of the string, which actually fits in the song and the singing. Before I continue, my favorite part with with mentioning my favorite part, I like to mention as well the first part of the song. So you can really see before they started the song, they did this harmony, so very nice. Nakakatindig ng balahibo. It makes the hair on your arms raise or the back of your neck. It just really sounds good. And then they continued with being grateful to the viewers, thanking them. They always thank the viewers, and he said sana wag kayo magsawa. So magsawa is to uh, how do we describe it in English? When you keep listening and keep listening, that you slowly lose interest because becomes boring. I think that's the thing. Nagsasawa or gets bored or something. I think that's the closest I can think of. And then he mentioned simpling jamming. So simple jamming. But I beg to differ. This is not simple. It's hard to do. Maybe if it's just strumming all throughout, it can be done. And then the harmony, it's hard to find someone you can have good chemistry with. So I beg to differ. This is not simpling jamming. This is really a very nice bonding as well, and a very nicely covered song. So my favorite part, it really caught my attention when they suddenly changed the pacing. It suddenly went like think, 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 think. And it's somewhere around 3 minutes 38. But let me bring you around 3 minutes 30, 3 minutes 32, so that we can hear how it was how it led to that part.
like
See?
a child, nesting deep. You don't know what you give me, I keep for the
So if it were a full band, it could have been like, bzz, tss, tss, bzz, 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 jing, 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 it was just a nice arrangement. I got excited there, and then it was followed up by the lead part, which was quite kind of sweet. And if it were a live band, it would have been quite juicy because I can imagine just the squeals and that nice fat guitar tone that will be used. So anyway, that is my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show love to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Star Skills TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.